Hi guys! Welcome to Populite Char. So welcome to my vlog, mini vlog. So I just want to share with you kung ano na yung milestone ko sa Populive. So I installed it March 16. Na-invite ako nung sister-in-law ko. Yan. So tinry ko siya and 12 day ko na ngayon. So, ito po yung na-earn ko sa Populive. Let's open it. Here, it's 126,287 points. So, ang 10,000 points, it's equal to $1. So, ayan. Very baby pa po ang aking account. As you can see, yung friends ko 7 pa lang. And I followed 20 people. And then, yung followers ko is 14 lang. And then, yung level ko po is, it's always start with level 1. So, kanina lang ako nag-upgrade ng level 4. So, tingnan nyo guys. Makikita. Ay, sorry. Nawala siya. Open natin ulit. Makikita nyo dyan sa message. This one. Yay! Congratulations! Ayan. May mga sino yung nag-likes, yung initiated. Congratulations. Congratulations. Ayan. O, diba? Kaka-level up ko lang today. Kasi kaka-trade ko lang din. And, today lang din po, kaka-message lang sa akin na ngayon is I can withdraw na. Kasi ang minimum po is 100,000 points. So, as you can see, ito yung na-earn ko yung mga points from live stream, party, platform rewards. So, let's withdraw now. Ayan. Meron na akong $12.63. So, ang minimum withdrawal po kasi is ayan o, congratulations, you earned the first $10 can be withdrawn to your account today. Withdraw now. Ayan, pinapa-withdraw na niya ako. So, ayan, I will withdraw now. Sure. Why not, diba? So, go na tayo. I will withdraw now. Basta, ayan. Kita niyo sa baba. Exchange ratio, 56 pesos for 10,000. Ayan, minimum niya is 10. Maximum is $2,000 per single transaction. So, let's go. Withdraw na tayo, guys. I'll just click withdraw now. Wait. Hindi ko nakita. Sorry. Kung ano pala, pwede siyang i-exchange na gawing coins. Yung 100,000 points mo, gagawin mo 90 coins. So, mag-withdraw ako. Wait a minute. Not that one. This one. Withdraw now. Please go to complete. Wait, this is my personal information na. So, saglit lang. Isa-submit lang natin siya, ha? Ano ko lang. Double check. Full name, bank account, number. Two time po yung ginamit ko. The first letter of full name should be like, full name should be capitalized. Oh, I see. Ulit. Yung first letter lang daw. Ulitin ko po siya. Let's wait lang guys. So sorry. Oh, ulitin ko na lang. Fill out my details first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12 na. 12 digits. Okay. Submit. Line successfully. So, line successfully daw. Withdrawal amount. Confirm. So, yan password ko, guys. So, I will not show you na my personal password, okay? For safety purposes. Okay daw. Okay! Oh, see? It's $0 na. So, maintenance daw yung GCash. So, hindi naman ako. Wait. Okay. So, hindi naman GCash yung ginamit ko. Ang ginamit ko ay GoTime. So, mag-wait pa ako ng 24 hours bago ko siya ma-receive. Okay. So, yun lang. I just shared to you guys. Yan, 0 na siya. 0. Kasi I withdraw it na. Ayan, yun lang. Sana maka-help sa inyo if you want to try. Kasi medyo matagal yung si Lolo Meta. So, ito yung pinakamabilis. Bye!